Hi, Rebecca. Thank you for your question. It's Mother Ego here. You're saying you're making some earnings, but when it comes to saving, it's a problem. Well, yes, saving is something you learn. It's a habit you develop. Unfortunately, in our culture, no one taught us how to save, so you literally have to teach yourself. Um, you have to go to our Facebook group under units. They are very many videos I've recorded in the past about savings, so you'll be able to find other resources there. And there is also a Saturday live that I did about how to create an effective budget, because you need to budget what you're making in order to know how much you can save and set aside every month. But the summary is: one, it's a habit you have to develop. Two, it's a discipline. Saving is going to test all your integrity in every way, because as soon as you save a little, a problem will come. Now you'll have to determine, is this a need, a want, can it wait? You have to determine, are you supposed to help everybody who crosses your way, or do you use wisdom to know who to help and who not to help? And in your help, are you empowering or enabling? Because empowering is teaching someone to fish so that they don't come back the next time with the same problem. Enabling is giving someone just enough to eat, then tomorrow when they run out, they come back. So you have to think about all these things. And when it gets for you, when you put your money aside, preferably get a savings account so that your little money goes separately in a separate place, so that you don't touch it, but figure out how much you want to save, put it in a separate account, then also figure out the why. Why are you saving? Because if you figure out the reason why you save, chances are when an issue comes, you'll be able to remember, I'm saving for this reason, so I can't touch the money. And that should help. But don't feel bad if on along the way, in the month, in as you're saving, you break down and kind of use the money. You just start again at some point. Usually it takes around 3 to 6 months for you to get that point. Well, hope that helps. It's Mother Ego here. Talk to you soon. Bye.